guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. If not, welcome back. Welcome back. Today I am starting my series. I know if you've been watching my channel, I've been talking about it. So today is the day. Last year, June of 2021, I signed my first contract for my first retail location. And today I'm here to share my experience with you on the do's and don'ts, on everything that you need to know when shopping for a retail location. So let's go ahead, go on in, and let's get started. The first thing that we want to do when searching for a retail location is contact a commercial realtor. There's a big difference between residential and commercial realtors, so be sure to make sure it is a commercial realtor. Second thing you need to do is be sure to let your commercial realtor know the amount of square foot you're looking for, how much you're willing to pay monthly. Those are big things that you already need to have when you contact them. So like I said, square footage, how much you want to pay. As the commercial realtor is doing their due diligence with looking around and searching for locations for you, you can also do your own research. If you know a specific location that you're interested in, go to that location, drive by that location during the day, drive by that location during the night, drive by that location on the weekends, just so you can see what type of environment it is, what type of demographic it is, what type of things happen at night. Make sure that a security guard is on site if that's something that's important to you. All of those things that you can double check on by yourself. While you're looking around and you see a for lease sign on a window or on a door, you can call them immediately, get information. Sometimes they don't list all of their locations on the internet, so it's hard to find them unless you literally call the banner or the sign that's on there. So call them, get that information. If it's something that you like, you give your realtor that information and they can get in contact. Also, do your research on the area of the type of business that you're looking for. We did a vinyl and blank apparel shop. So we did our due diligence. We checked the radius to see if there was any vinyl and apparel shops here, if the community needed it, if it's something that will potentially grow in this area. So we did that. We found a vinyl shop. She's about 15 minutes from us. We went in there. Before we even thought about having a retail store, we would get our emergency vinyl from her. I needed a black, I run out of black. Let's go to this lady. So we knew she was there. So opening this business, we knew that competition was kind of competition. It's not really. In her store, she only offers vinyl and a specific brand of vinyl. So we knew, okay, well, we offer vinyl and we offer a variety of vinyl and at a cheaper price. We also offer blank apparel, something that she doesn't offer. And we also offer custom apparel. We make custom apparel, something that she wasn't offering as well. So we knew that we could potentially grow being that close to her. So please do your research on your area to check out your competitors with that. Also, check your zoning. If we don't have zoning rules with the type of business that we were opening, which is a retail location, but we did lease this location out to a tattoo shop, and they have zoning rules. They had to check to make sure that this zip code in this area, they were able to open a tattoo shop. Certain areas you can't be within a certain mile radius of a school, of a church, of children, daycare, things like that. So please, with your business, make sure you check your zoning and make sure that your retail location is in a safe zone for your business. So those are really things that are important when searching for a retail location. So that is the basics that you need to know when searching for a retail location. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer any questions and let you know, guide you, and continue to share my experience. We are about to have a part 2. I'm kind of breaking these up in a series just so you can get, in this part of your of searching for the location. Once you find that, now what's the next part? So please stay tuned for our part 2, which will be once you are talking to the property manager, what should we look for and what should we ask, the right questions that need to be asked, the right information that needs to be had when talking to the property manager once you selected a potential retail location. So stay tuned for that, and we will see you soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.